मारो मार लो।
So 1, 2, 3.
1 2 3 बाकी कुछ तो फ्री।
सिमरन जी यहाँ पर सर रेड्डी सर सामने एकदम।
चलो मैं इतने में नहीं दूंगा।
भाई मेरे को ट्राइपॉड क्यों बना रहा है पर तू?
Pondicherry, and 2 days I'm judging here the main rounds.
And when you go to Paris, you have the French foreign.
In French, they don't understand English.
So they
They
also.
speak French, I speak English.
Okay, so they are also participating in.
And they are only French. So I like to give it a mention that I've been the cultural ambassador at Paris, which is 100 years old cultural center, and they were only French people. So nobody speaks English.
What Navratri was. Oh, when we bought them, and in a short time, all the Gujarati Sammelans were empty. They were all in the country club. So, what we did was, like I was telling you, when I make a statement, country club belongs to the country. I mean, I really mean it in the sense, all the essence, beautiful, like Baisakhi, Lohri, Christmas, New Year, all this. Celebrations take place in the country club in a huge manner, and more than anything else, it is the biggest family chain. You will find a lot of nana nanis, members and their children all coming together. So that is the big USP of the country club.
रेड्डी साहब आपसे सवाल है कि जो कंट्री क्लब के मेंबर नहीं है तो वो पर्सन नवरात्रि फेस्टिवल में चार्ज पे करके पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं?
Yes, there are few guest passes will be there, but first preference will be given only to members of the country club. उनके साथ आ सकते हैं, members के साथ.
My next question is to you, Simran. Congratulations on winning so many athletic titles. 18 international national titles for Garba is a very big deal. The dancing queen of Garba. How proud are you to be, titled as that, and also the brand ambassador for Navratri? So when you're performing at the country club in Hyderabad this Navratri, please tell us about that.
It's very, very special, and I'm humbled and full of gratitude because नाचना कभी अलाउड नहीं था घर में बचपन में. So mom never allowed 9 nights तो सवाल ही नहीं होता कि 9 रात हम बाहर जाएं खेलने. So dance was a complete no-no at home. Just starting from there, I've only participated for 18 years in competitions and won all 18 queen titles by the grace of the goddess. And jab se I've been associated with country club, that's 2016. I can definitely tell you that it's absolutely been universal for me. Garba has been universal. So when I represented India at Miss India Magnificent in 2013 at Niagara Falls, वहाँ पर when I performed Garba, all the international contestants wanted to know ये क्या है. I said it is spiritual significance. They said, oh, we have no idea about this. Can you explain to us? And तब मुझे भी नहीं पता था ज़्यादा उसके बारे में. So I said, why don't we Google? And Google पे they couldn't really get the sense of what is Navratri and what is the dance form Garba and Dandiya. And that's how ये पहली किताब है 9 Nights Navratri, which was unveiled by Srimati Anandiben Patela, former Chief Minister of Gujarat, and internationally it was unveiled by Mr. Rajiv Reddy sir, who allowed me to go global. And thereafter, of course, cultural ambassador of Paris, 2 साल से लेकर I've traveled all around the world. Last year we performed at New York at Times Square, where lakhs of people were watching us and doing Garba with us. And absolutely an honor to represent India at the Bharat Mahotsav. And it's been completely amazing. At the same time, किताब तो है पहली, अब जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. This year, Navratri is magnificent across the world because of the UNESCO's intangible cultural heritage being announced last year in December. So thanks to Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. Just like yoga, now Garba is also going global all across the world.